Hi everyone, welcome to EDU 542, School, Community, and Diverse Family Structures. My name is Will Netterson and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. I look forward to working with you and supporting you in your journey as you are working towards your Master's of Education in Curriculum and Instruction. It's hopefully you've been enjoying the journey, but it's exciting to learn more and develop yourself. So a little background about me. I currently am an administrator, coordinator of adult education in Tustin Unified School District. I've also been an elementary school teacher, a teacher on special assignment at the district office, an assistant principal at a middle school, and 11 years as an elementary school principal. So I've had a lot of different experiences with grade levels. On top of that, thinking of diversity, I've taught at a Title I school. I've taught at that Title I school is also a high EL population. I have also been at a higher socioeconomic school. I have, with my adult ed experience I'm having right now, I work with ESL students, adults 18 and older, adults who are looking to get their citizenship within the United States, and also adults who are working for their high school diploma. So it's a large different background that I work with in that, and diversity is a very big part of it. So I look forward to hearing from you in this journey, what you're experiencing at your school sites, how you work with those diverse cultures, and then we'll be reflecting throughout this course on ways to improve upon that, really build a line of communication, strategies to support those families, and then try and possibly think of ways that you can connect them to society as a whole, even though we're a diverse population. So again, I'm available for you. You'll see my cell phone number in the Meet Your Instructor section that you can call, text. My only request is if you text, you just let me know who you are and that you're from EDU 542. That way I know that I can answer your question as quickly as possible. My philosophy is to get back to you within 24 hours in an email, hopefully a little bit quicker in text, but at the latest 24 hours, and phone calls at the latest 24 hours as well. Typically try to be available for you in the evening time frames, after about 5 o'clock on if you need to connect with me, or on the weekends. So again, I look forward to working with you, and it's going to be a great 8 weeks together.